Year 9 Biology. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about farming methods. Farming problems. The addition of fertilizers to soil has benefits such as increased crop growth, but there are drawbacks. Fertilizers can be washed off the fields and into the water systems. If the nutrients are washed into rivers and streams, this can lead to uncontrolled plant growth. These plants die due to lack of space or sunlight. These leads to increased amounts of decomposers. These use up oxygen in the water, and this can lead to a lack of oxygen and so large amounts of fish dying. Adding a pesticide, a food chain, would kill the mouse, but when the owl and the fox eat the mouse, the poison will be passed on. The poison builds up in the carnivores, and this leads to the death of owls and foxes, leading to a loss in biodiversity. Some insecticides have harmful effects on other organisms. Some insecticides have negative impacts on bee populations, and other insecticides run off into water and poison fish. Herbicides can kill local fauna, and this can decrease the amount of food available to other animals, as well as introducing poisons into the food chain. If all plants are the same, then one new disease can kill many plants, sometimes wiping out entire crops. If there are different types, then some are likely to have a measure of resistance. The carbon cycle is a model that demonstrates how carbon in its different forms, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, moves through the living and non-living world. If too many herbicides are used or too much land is cleared from forests to make room for farms, then the increased carbon dioxide can lead to disruption in the carbon cycle. Lack of trees to use up extra carbon dioxide, and cattle farming, which produces greenhouse gases, means that farming contributes to global warming and climate change.